Hi everyone. So today let's talk about something we use daily but might not fully understand, and that is a computer. Have you ever wondered what computer is? How about if I tell you that computer is like a human? Yes, and the difference between you and computer is that computer listen and does whatever you command it to do. Now let me tell you what computer is in the most simplest way possible. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device or machine that takes input from the user, processes data according to a set of instructions, outputs the data, and stores data temporarily or permanently. A computer helps us to solve problems daily and makes our lives easier. But do you know that computer cannot perform its major function without its two main components, and they are hardware and software? Let's start with computer hardware. From the word hard, you already know that computer hardware can be defined as physical things that you can touch or hold. For example, keyboard, mouse, hard drive, speaker, CPU, monitor, printer, and many more. It's almost the same thing with our human body. You can be able to touch your physical part of the body, right? I can touch my eyes, my nose, my hand, and others. Now let's go to the software part of the computer. From the word soft, it means something that can neither be touched or held. Almost the same thing too with human internal metabolism. You can't be able to touch your heart directly, but it does the most critical function in our body. So computer software can be defined as an executable set of instructions, either written in low level or high level programming languages. And computer software are generally classified in three main categories. We have system software, application software, and programming software. And they all have their functions and examples, which we are going to look at later. I know by now you might be wondering, why am I diving deep into software part of the computer and not the hardware? Well, who doesn't love a soft life? As for me, personally, I love soft life. And I believe you also do, right? Exactly. So, welcome to the soft life and welcome to the world of technology. Now, let's begin.